welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Glamlookbykem. So today we'll be filming a look inspired by a makeup artist I appreciate, painted by Spencer. He's a YouTuber as well, so I guess you must have come across him, and this look was inspired by him. So if you're a returning subscriber, you're what? A darling. And if you're new here, you know what to do. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Yes, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this look. So first of all, guys, I went ahead to use my micellar cleanser to cleanse the face of the impurities, because even after you think you've had your bath, you're still going to clean up some dirt, oils that probably your soap, your towel couldn't help out with. So after that, I went ahead with my hydrating mist. That's Flawless by Ivy's hydrating mist to hydrate her face. I know you must have seen this in my other videos, but yeah. And after that, I went ahead with my cetaphil. This is my everyday prep for my makeup. Most times I skip it, but I'm giving you guys a full video here. So after that, I'm using the brush to distribute it evenly. I went ahead to use a lip balm to moisturize her lips, because it's a long way, guys. You don't want her lips to be dry all through the makeup section. Just keep the lips moisturized, the same way you keep your face moisturized, most especially if you're doing what they call it, a matte lips. But in this video, went ahead with gloss, but it doesn't still matter. After that, I went ahead with my Becca Primer. This primer is the bomb, guys, in case you've not tried it. And I didn't go in with much because it's really effective. And I went ahead to apply it to her T-zone. And after that, I'm using the oil blocker from Zaron. Guys, if you have an oily skin, even if you don't have an oily skin, just use it for your T-zone. You know how your T-zone can be oily and all that, guys. I bet you would not produce oil. After that, I went ahead to use my brow gel to brush the brows and set it in place. With this, I don't have to worry myself when doing my brows. So I went ahead to mix a Huda Beauty foundation in brown sugar and another foundation to match her skin tone. And I'm using the brush to distribute evenly. I don't know if I told you guys, I don't like going in directly with my beauty blender into the foundation to apply, because I feel it sucks it in. So I use a brush to distribute it on her face, then hydrate her face and blend. In case you've not tried out this step, just try it and tell me what you think. Like, it helps your makeup blend in perfectly well. So after this, I went ahead to highlight. Okay, I did the blush first, and you already know what I use for the blush. That's my orange corrector, but you can use your lipstick. You can just improvise as far as it comes out nice. That's the most important thing here, right? Yeah. So I'm blending in the blush, the liquid blush, yes, which is my corrector. And after that, I went in to use a darker foundation to contour her face. Guys, it's pretty. What do you think? So I'm highlighting her face now, and I'm using different shades of concealers to build in a kind of transition. Now I'm blending the concealers gently and perfectly. Guys, forget that this video is fast. When you're blending, you take your time. Like, you take your time. You don't have to be in a rush per se. Most especially if you're doing your personal makeup, you need to make people know that, God, you are good. But yes, let's continue. So I'm blending out the concealers, and after that, I went ahead to use my Milani powder to set her face first before using the Merak Cosmetics setting powder. And I'm using the Tara blush. Yes, I used a liquid blush earlier, so I'm just trying to enhance the look the more, to just pop it out. I'm going ahead with a Tara powder. It's a darker powder, so I'm just using it to contour her face, her forehead, her cheekbone, and the rest. So you need to snatch the face. Even if you think she's already pretty, but she still needs to bring out her features. That's the most important thing about makeup. And after this, I went ahead to use Make Color Powder palette to contour her face. And right here, I think I actually used a bit too much, but trust me, I blended like my life depended on it. So I'm going ahead to do my nose contour, not like nose contour, but the reverse contour. And I'm putting an amount of setting powder to help me catch out the eyeshadow fallout when I'm ready for the eyeshadow. So I am on the brows now. You guys already know how I do my brows. Outline, the first, second, and you feel. I don't think I allowed this video to go on for a while because I already have a detailed brow tutorial on my channel. So it's going to be in the description box in case you're interested in watching my brow tutorial. Yeah, so if you're coming across this video for the first time, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you're enjoying this video, please share to your friends. So we're here for the eyeshadow. And I'm using a Blossom palette. I went ahead to use a really soft tone to warm up my crease, and I'm using the Clown White, Benign Clown White as my base. Normally I use a concealer but because of the colors I'm using, I need them to pop. That's why I'm using this Clown White. So I'm blending it because guys, Clown White can be funny. Forget. And I'm blending. Like I had to really show you guys I blended. So please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So I went ahead to use the green. So in this video, you might not actually see the same shades that Painted by Spencer used because I actually just use what I have. Yes, but you get the look when we're done. It's still practically the same thing, but let's say different shades. But yeah, tell me what you think after you watch this tutorial and know if we killed it. Yes, so I'm still blending with the second shade of green because if you notice from his from the picture I put up, that like different colors of greens, like he built the greens up, like transitioned from light, dark. You understand where I'm coming from? So I'm using the greens I have, the shades of greens, to achieve this kind of look. So I'm still patting it. See, I'm not shifting. I just patted it in on the Benign Clown White. And I've not blended yet, guys. Just so you know. I'm just patting it in. So after patting it in, I went ahead to use a different brush to blend the outer parts. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Because I don't want any harsh line. I don't want to mistakenly move or something. So yes, we're basically done with the eyes. And I'm blending off the reverse contour. I'm making sure I don't have any harsh line on her face. No matter how long I leave my reverse contour, I make sure I blend. So here I'm using the Zaron mascara. And after that, I went ahead to use a pair of lashes from Dolled by Dolly, something like that. I'm going to put it in the description box. And I still went ahead to use the same colors I used for her eyes, for her under eye. And I'm setting her face now. And if you notice, I'm covering the eyeshadow. This is a matte eyeshadow, so I don't want the setting spray to get in contact with my matte eyeshadow and ruin it for me. Please, I cannot go ahead and start all over again. So I'm using the highlighter I usually use to highlight her face and make it pop. Her T-zone, just with a very light brush. I'm being light-handed because I really don't want the T-zone, the what do you call it, the forehead and the nose to be all shiny. But still ahead with a different what's it called, highlighter to still pop up the cheekbone. Because guys, my cheekbone needs to pop. I seen this girl's features, so I need to enhance it. What do you think? Yes, darling. If you're enjoying this video, please do not forget to like, click on the description bell below to get notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you. I seen how it's glowing. I seen. Guys, are you seeing that? Yes. So please, if you're in Lagos, Nigeria, and you are interested in booking us, please go to Glamlookbykem on Instagram and book me. Thank you. So now I'm doing the lips, and I went into Glamlookbykem Lippy in Somi. That's my brand, guys. So I actually wanted to use what's this called? An Urban Decay was lip pencil, but it was just too light for my Nigerian babe. So I had to just go with my brand. And still I felt it was still too light. So I went in with a dark gloss, kind of dark gloss, to outline her lips, the outer corner of her lips. I don't know if you guys, because I was trying to get the same lips Spencer did, but it was just too light for her. So now I'm done with the lips. I went ahead to use a clear gloss from Classic. Yes, guys, this look is set. What do you think? Hi guys. So we finally done, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, it's your girl Glamlookbykem. Please subscribe. And do not forget to click on the notification bell below so you get notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit.